Hey guys, this is Clinton Jeff and today I have something really cool to check out. Something that really speaks to my very nerdy childhood. It's the ASICS Transformers Gel-Lyte V. Alright, ASICS has been pumping out some pretty sweet collaborations lately, and this partnership between a Japanese sneaker brand and Hasbro's Transformers, one of the most iconic toy lines and cartoons and, well, Michael Bay movies of all time. I mean, you guys know I had to get my hands on these, or rather feet in these. I'm a huge Transformers fan, even before Michael Bay added lens flare to the whole thing. So I'm excited to check these out. In case you haven't heard about this particular sneaker series before, the ASICS Gel-Lyte V is actually one of the most comfortable sneakers out there. It's a retro running silhouette that first hit the scene in 1993, and at that time it was the next installment of ASICS' upcoming gel franchise. There's the patented gel underfoot and a single piece upper, which all resulted in the Gel-Lyte V going from one of the most premium running sneakers at that time to the legendary lifestyle sneaker that it is today. That being said, nowadays ASICS only uses the Gel-Lyte V for collaborations or special editions, so it's not really a huge surprise to see that being used here. Alright, let's talk about that Transformers collab. Starting with the box, you guys know I like me a good sneaker box, and ASICS definitely went all out here. I mean, this box is so cool. It has the Transformers Cybertronian kind of font on the front. Alright, so the box itself is really cool. You have Optimus Prime, Bumblebee and Megatron all here. So somebody at ASICS is definitely a Transformers fan, and I definitely appreciate it because look how cool that box is. Around the box itself you have a couple of other things. You have the Autobots and Decepticon logos right there, so that's pretty freaking cool. You also have a couple little prints from the comic right there, including this very iconic scene. Wow. Alright, so definitely another sneaker box that I'm going to be adding to my collection. Let's open this up. Alright, so when you first open it up, the first thing you see is this little leaflet here telling you that you have instep covers. So there are 3 instep covers featuring each character. There's Optimus Prime, Bumblebee, and of course Megatron. You can use these covers on the left and right shoe both, and you can also change it to the shoelace style in case you don't want to wear the covers. They do caution you that you shouldn't wear the instep covers and the shoelaces at the same time because then you might damage the shoelaces. So yeah, either use the instep covers or use the shoelaces, don't use both. Okay, I'm just going to put this here. The first thing you get after that is the instep cover for Megatron. Pretty cool, with the Decepticons logo right there. This is actually really cool. I'm pretty excited about this. There's also the shoelaces in case you don't want to use the instep covers, which again is appreciated. All right, main attraction right there. So that's the shoe with the Optimus Prime cover. I just love this heel section right there. It just looks insane. It looks like Optimus Prime is staring at you, telling you to Autobots, transform and roll out. Okay, I'm just going to put this on the side here so I can show you the Bumblebee cover. And there you go. The Bumblebee cover is definitely a bit loud. Has that same interesting looking heel area. That just looks insane. I mean, come on. Okay, so yeah, this is cool. Definitely think these are one of the coolest looking sneakers I've seen in a while for nerds like me and hopefully like you. So yeah, that was the quickest unboxing ever. Let's talk about these shoes. Okay, so as you saw in the box, you have the option of choosing which faction from the Transformers world you would want to support, thanks to the interchangeable overlays featuring both the Decepticon and Autobot branding. These detachable character components extend from the tongue all the way to the back counter, allowing you to customize the look of the sneaker depending on how you're feeling that day. Because maybe sometimes you're feeling a little bit more Optimus Prime and Autobots, or maybe some days you're just feeling a little more Decepticon-y with Megatron. I really have to emphasize how cool that back counter looks with the detachable components. It really looks like Optimus Prime and Bumblebee are staring at you from the back of your shoe. Pretty cool. This customization element is actually pretty awesome and allows both sneaker fans and Transformers fans to play around with the silhouette of the shoe, allowing you to transform the look of the shoes, so to speak, which kind of reflects the fun of the original toys. Underneath all of that, the upper is constructed out of a muted charcoal grey hue. The muted colorways here allow the detachable robot features to get all the attention, which is much appreciated because the Transformers colors are quite loud by themselves. Definitely more than meets the eye here. Inside the shoe, you'll notice that there are extra animated graphics laid in all over across the insoles, which is a nice touch. Some pretty interesting sneakers there for sure. Now that we've got all of that out of the way, let's look at these sneakers on feet. Alright guys, so that was a quick look at the ASICS Transformers Gel-Lyte 5. These dropped late last month for about $130 depending on where you live. That's actually pretty low in terms of pricing, especially for a very customizable shoe, thanks to those interchangeable pieces. I should mention though, it's a limited edition drop, so they probably won't be available for too long. So if you're impressed by what you see, you should probably head out and pick one up as soon as you can. In addition to the shoe, ASICS also has a couple extras as well. There's a few accessories and t-shirts. I could only track down this one t-shirt, which is super cool because it has a detachable component here as well with the Cybertronian font, or you could switch on over to the ASICS logo on the front. I gotta admit, I actually really like this collab. I love the whole retro and nostalgic look and feel to them. I mean, all that design, and it's still a really comfortable pair of sneakers to wear. What's not to love? That being said, I want to know what you guys think about this. Should sneaker brands be doing more collabs like these? Recently, we saw the Adidas Star Wars collab and we saw the Puma Tetris collab. So it's definitely looking like a good year to be a sneaker fan who's also a big old nerd. Let me know what you guys think. And as always, if you have any questions about these sneakers, let me know right in the comment section below. Or you can ask me right over on Instagram or Twitter at ClintonJeff. And hey, if this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button right below and maybe subscribe because that would be appreciated. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.